Hi, everybody. Thanks for taking a couple of minutes of your time to check out MoneyLIne, which is what I think is the biggest no-brainer in the home-based business arena around the world. I have been networking over 25 years full-time, built two different companies to over $1 billion in sales, and I have never ever seen a more unique idea of a product that's more valuable to anyone out there. Whether you're part time, you're full time, you're just getting started, or you're a big hitter, this is an absolute must have, no brainer. And I want to just take a couple of minutes to show you why. First off, everybody in the industry knows you've got to have traffic to your site and to your opportunity. You've got to have a list. If you don't have a list, you're always in search of building a list. Finding done for you traffic in a list can take you not only weeks and months, but literally years. You know, everybody gets on Facebook and they spend a year or two to get 5,000 friends, or they're looking for emailing solo ads out there and email blasting to create their list, which you can spend thousands of dollars doing and you have no idea what you're getting. All these social media platforms, some of them take a college degree just to figure out how to use them. So here comes MoneyLIne with a unique, innovative idea on, hey, we'll simply build a list for you, and best yet, it's free. That's exactly why you're at this video right here, is they're going to build a list for you, and it's free to join. But here's the urgency. This is what you've got to get really quick. As soon as you get done watching this video, as you can see down here, you're going to click here to continue. It's going to take you to this screen. And what this screen is somebody handed you a link here because they thought enough of you and they said, you got to go check this out and join. Here's why it's important. Every single person who gets their link and joins after you is underneath you in your MoneyLIne. So anybody that joins before you, whether it was 5 seconds ago, 5 minutes ago, or 5 days ago, you cannot access to reach out to in your MoneyLIne with your message. So it is imperative that you get here and put in your first name, last name, and email address and click join free now. Even if you don't plan on using this until next week, next month, maybe it's not even you that's ever going to use it. Maybe it's a family member or friend. In other words, you have absolutely everything to gain here and nothing to lose by taking 2 minutes to sign up for free. It's 2 minutes to sign up for free. Because here's what happens. This increases by value every second. People are signing up here literally every second, every minute, every hour. I mean, it's just nonstop from all around the world. And so everybody who signs up after you for free is under you in your MoneyLIne. I'll give you a quick example. I talked to a buddy of mine just a few weeks ago. He says, yeah, I don't know, I'm doing really well in another program. I said, are you crazy? If not you, look at all the people in your group that are just getting started that need people to talk to. Get in there and sign up for free. Guess what? He didn't do it. There's over 6,000 people have joined for free just since I talked to him a couple of weeks ago. And I talked to him yesterday and I said, did you sign up for free? He goes, no. I go, you've lost your mind? I said, get in there and take 2 minutes and get your name and email address in there. So even if it's a year from now before you use it, you're going to have thousands, tens of thousands, if not literally millions at the pace this is going underneath you, a free list in multiple languages built around the world for you that are all buyer leads. These are people in the industry. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 1 more minute. I'm going to click one more thing and show you here. When you get logged in to your back office, this is what it looks like, and this is what your MoneyLIne looks like. There's videos explaining all this, so don't get barraged with all this, but I just want to give you an idea. This is a test account over here, as you can see. But just since I've set up this test account, there's 3,727 people have joined, just since I put in this test account. I mean, there's people with tens of thousands of people, okay? So I'm going to click on your MoneyLIne up here, and you'll see what pops up here. You see all these people in the MoneyLIne? I'm going to click on this as you can scroll down. And you can see these are all people that you can go over here and you can write a message to with a link. And you can send out and reach all of these people from around the world, okay, in multiple languages. It's amazing the value of this. I could just keep going and going. There's literally people signing up every second into this. And over here, these are all people up above you. If you click on all of these, that have sent messages out to people. Well, guess what? They're all contacts and leads too on your list. So you can reach out to these people, say hi to them, start networking with them, create a conversation you can see from people all around the world, much less all the people that are joining over here for free. Bottom line is this. Why in the world would you not get a link and get your name and email address and take 2 minutes to get in the money line? Because of the value of this is just mind-boggling where it'll be a few months and a few years down the road. Hope this helps everybody, and we'll see you in the money line. Hurry, hurry, get in line.